Смысл меня подрезал? Смысл меня подрезал? Я не понял вообще. Ты как ездишь?
Чё хочу?
Извините, извините.
Head, you ain't driving nowhere. I promise you. I'll put it in your head. You're in my driveway.
Huh? I didn't know this is your house.
Yeah, you did too.
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
I'm gonna go now.
No, you're gonna end up dead. That's what's fixing to happen to you.
I'm gonna go now.
You think I won't put it in your head? You ain't driving nowhere. I promise you. I'll put it in your head. You're in my driveway.
I'm not in your driveway.
You're in my driveway,
I am in the road.
I tell you what, you better put it in park right now.
What are you gonna do?
Put it in park right now.
Why?
Because you're fixing to go to jail. Put it in park.
I'm not going to jail.
Put it in park or I'll put a
not
in your head. You want to pull it?
Sometimes I wish we could go back to the beginning. That's when a fairy tale high. What the fuck?
Are you call the cops, Mark. Oh, hell no. Maniac. Yeah, fuck you. Fucking redneck. Fucking redneck. Call the video. Call the video. See that? Watch yourself. This is evidence. Yeah. Hello. Evidence. Hello.
Yes, I'm on Rivers Avenue at the Murphy Express gas station. Someone just purposefully hit us, and she's still... Okay.
Get pictures, bitch, because I'll sue you for taking my motherfucking picture, hoe!
No, you can't, dumbass. Her vandalizing the car.
911, I'm on Rivers at the Murphy Oil. There's a woman. She just purposefully hit us in a white F-250. I believe that's what type of vehicle it is. Oh my gosh, she just hit. Ma'am, please get officers over here. She's hitting and banging our car, please. Rivers at Otranto, please.
Now they're driving away.
They're in an F-350 Super Duty. It's white.
She's hitting the vehicle.
She purposefully rammed our vehicle and punched the vehicle. I have it all on my dash cam. I'm in a white BMW.
You ran a light. Oh yeah, the lights wrong side up. You fucking loser. Fuck you. You lucky I don't have it. Fuck you. You ran a light. You're crazy. This man just spit at me.
Police officer, and everybody can see that on camera, so what? You're not arresting me for no reason. I told you why I'm arresting you now.
You're gonna go to prison. Hey! Hey!
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get you. Get me. You're crazy. I don't care.
Cops beating the shit out of that girl.
I'm being assaulted over here. Walden, I told them they know. Get out of the car.
Get out! This ain't gonna go good.
You hit me. You saw her hit me, right?
Well, they know where it is.
Like me. And parents. I knew I should have gotten a dog. Get 2 free Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime smartphones when you switch 2 lines to Metro PCS and enjoy a 4G LTE network that's more reliable than ever before. Metro PCS. Wireless figured out. Coverage not available until August. Sales tax not included in phone price. Excludes numbers on the T-Mobile network or active on Metro PCS in the past 90 days. See store for details, terms and conditions.
Nothing like TV ratings time when local news uncovers farmers markets that don't have fresh fruit. Or presents a special report that reveals it's expensive to live here. At Fox 7 News, we think you're well aware of Austin's affordability issues.
And you don't need help to find fresh produce. This is Rebecca Thomas.
And I'm Mike Warren. Fox 7 Austin News at 9 and 10 is the right place, the right time for sensible news, not sensational stories. Tonight on Fox.
All this infighting we've been doing, that's how Bella slipped through the cracks.
Hey, that ain't gonna work, is it?
Oh my God! You fucking jackass motherfucker! You're going to jail!
Hey, everybody got that shit on tape. Everybody.
Mama,快停下！爸爸下来了！爸爸下来了！
向限速70。
妈妈，
前方限速摄像，限